welcome back to my channel. My name's Abigail, the lady who travels. This is the second half of my time spent in Copenhagen. I'm traveling to 6 cities for 6 months, and Copenhagen is my first stop. Of course, when you come to Copenhagen, you can do all the tourist attractions, which I'll show you a few in this video, but I wanted to take some time to let you know that the vibe of Copenhagen is to observe. Look at the architecture, look at the culture, because Scandinavian culture is so unique. Hope you enjoy this video. So this is the Killen Park, and let me show you guys. It's like a legit playground for the kids, so keep that in mind if you want to come shoot. I probably should have came earlier, but I was sleeping in, girl. You can hear I have a cold. Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. I'm a little under the weather right now, but it's my last week here in Copenhagen. I had to make it count. So I'm going to a museum that I've heard people hype up a lot. It's a little bit out of the city. It's called the Louisiana Museum, and it's supposed to have some of the best modern art in Scandinavia. So let's go to it. It's quite a journey to get there, but I was told that it's not too bad with the train, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, let's go to the Louisiana Museum. Okay, you guys, I just got off the train, and now this is a 10-minute walk to the museum. There's actually a pass you can get that has museum tickets and tickets for the train. Train's like an hour. It's really scenic. Put some clips in for you guys. But because I'm a Capital One credit card holder, we get free access to this museum through the Cultivist Pass. So don't know if you know that Bank of America has one, but it's only for places in America. But Capital One also has a program. You get a 6 months membership with Cultivist to museums all over the world. So I'm using that to get a free pass to Louisiana Museum. I've actually been. You can get as many tickets as you want for, I think, up to 4 people. I'll double check on that. But yeah, let's go to the museum. And I'm already going the wrong way. Isn't that hilarious? We just started. But here we go. It's a nice walk as well. It's way more green than Copenhagen, which I feel like has just been... Wait, let me turn it. I feel like it's just been concrete jungle. Like, I haven't seen much nature. I'm from Seattle, and that is one thing I always look for whenever I go somewhere. My next destination has some of that, and you'd be surprised. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's very nice. I would not do this walk at night. Not because of safety, but because of lights and signage. But it is open late if you want to sneak it in towards the end. And the train does run at night. So, okay. Absolutely walking on the wrong side of the street like an American. Let me show you. You should not be walking like this. You should be walking over there. I don't know what got into me. Oh, my dumb ass. I don't know why my dumb ass did that. Have you ever seen a museum with a view like this before? Oh my goodness. Wow. Absolutely gave me a map, and I absolutely did not look at it. Oh my god, it's muddy. Oh, this was not smart. But I see people down here, and I wanted to see what they're looking at. Oh, it's a dog. I'll show you. You see, it's like a dog out there. But if I go there, I go out of the museum. So it's a no for me, dog. But it's a very pretty view. If I knew I couldn't go to the dog, I wouldn't have walked down the stairs, because you get the same view from up top, probably even a bit cuter. Okay, but I'll show y'all the view again. It is phenomenal. And it's 3 o'clock here, so it's about to start getting dark. The sun is doing its sunset thing. Let's see up top. So you guys, I'm done at the museum. I would definitely recommend it. I went to every single wing. I'm usually just like a quick through the museum type of person, but I went through every single wing because it was so interesting. And now I'm headed back to the train station. It's like a short walk, and then the same 1 hour train ride back home. Hello everybody, it's your girl Abigail. Today's my last full day here in Copenhagen before I head off to my next destination. And there's a tourist attraction that I haven't done yet, which has been highly recommended, which is Church of Our Savior. It has been closed for my time here, but it reopened last week, so I'm excited to go to the top and show you guys the amazing view of the city. Let's go. Okay you guys, I made it to Church of Our Savior. And I'm going to be walking all the way to the top right there. Jesus help me. I need our Savior to help me walk to the top. I'm headed back to the train station, and let me give you a pro tip. Make sure to tap in and out when you're in the train station, because if not, you will get a ticket even if you paid for the pass. Do not ask me how I know, but I'm nice and talked my way out of it, because it was actually quite ridiculous. Like, I don't understand how. Anyway, I'm not doing it. But make sure to do that. Now I'm headed back home, and I have to pack to get ready for my next destination. So make sure to follow, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next destination. Bye. Hey everybody, and welcome to Hong Kong.